Hello, I'm Shahir Malik and I'm back with another Photoshop tutorial. As you just see that this is an image, a man is holding a fruit. We just have to uh, add a glow effect to this fruit and we will fade the other part of the video just like you see. Okay, first of all, let's select your favorite selection tool. My favorite selection tool is quick selection, and just select the fruit in the hand. We have to separate them from the background like this. I think it's done. You can zoom anytime to see this part is missing, like this and this. It's done now. Now press Ctrl J to add another layer, and now add another layer of just this fruit. Now Ctrl J again. That's it. To the background, we will add color lookup. Yeah, moonlight 3D effect. This is changing it. You can see that the hand and the fruit is of the same color. We just added moonlight effect at the back. Okay, now we will play with this fruit to glow it. Just click here and adjust first of all the colors, the hue saturation, like this, and not only this, only the fruit, and it's okay now. That's it. Convert this to smart object. This is a very important step to first convert it as a smart object, and then you can use a screen here, or you can use a linear dodge. I usually use screen because it's much natural, and group it. This is group 1 and this is layer, and we will add a filter. This is a Gaussian blur. Just add 50. That's good. And then click Ctrl J. That's it. And then Ctrl J again. Then Ctrl J again. Ctrl J again. At the point you're satisfied, just stop. This again, and this again. So I think this is now great. Just little low to maintain its naturality, like this. So that's quite easy to add a glow effect to anything. You can add glow effect to the hand as well. You can add glow effect to any of these balls you want, like this. For example, if you want to add glow effect to this ball, you can do this, but just out and here. Control J. This is another layer now, and we will group it, and we'll add a filter, the Gaussian blur 70. convert it into a smart object and add a linear dodge because that's a blur. Now screen is okay. Control J, control. That's it. So that's quite natural now. So that's it from the glow effect. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.